Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see the second method of calculation of value at risk and the most widely used method, that is Monte Carlo simulation for calculation of VaR. Now, before spending much time, let us go there on the Excel sheet. See, in order to calculate VaR using Monte Carlo simulation, here is the formula which we are supposed to use. Now, this exponential is for everything. Now, this formula will not calculate VaR directly, but it will try to calculate the ending value based upon these parameters. So, I am going to calculate 1 month's VaR, assuming there are 21 working days in 1 month, at 95% confidence interval and at 99% confidence interval. Now, how to calculate using Monte Carlo simulation, that we are going to see. Now, in Monte Carlo simulation, one thing which is important is use of random number and number of simulations. So, what we are going to do, I am going to take at least 5,000 simulations. So, I will go here on D5004, go up and say Control D, and you will get at least 5,000 different simulations. Perfect. Now, these are iterations. Now, I will calculate ending value here, which is nothing but exponential of risk-free rate minus 0.5 multiplied by variance multiplied by number of days, which are 21 divided by 252, because there are 252 days in a year, plus standard deviation multiplied by square root of 21 days divided by 252 multiplied by standard normal variable, which is nothing but norm S inverse. And in that, I'm going to give it random number. So value of 1 rupee will be 1.03. Now, I want to calculate this value for 5,000 times. So I will trick it with the help of data, what if analysis, and data table. And I will just tell them that take any value in the column. So what will happen is that your ending value will get created just by using random numbers. And you will have 5,000 different ending values. Let's check. It is taking time. Yeah. You have got 5,000 different ending values. Now, in order to calculate VaR, what should we do? 1 minus percentile it's asking for array. So this is my array, and I want 5th percentile. So 1 minus 95th percentile, which comes out to be 5th percentile. That's how we calculate VaR, and 11%. Now, let us calculate for 99%, came out to be 16%. Now, click on Formula tab and calculate now and see if these values are changing much. If these values are not changing much, you are correct. If these values are changing much, you need to take more number of iterations. Now, this is VaR in percentage. If you want to calculate in dollar or rupees, just multiply it by investment amount. And you will get monthly VaR. 20 days time, 21 days time means monthly VaR for the investment portfolio of $10 million. Now, you can use this Monte Carlo's techniques to calculate anything. We generally use it for VaR, and this is a very powerful technique. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much.